To access the Student Portal, simply click on the Student Portal link found here on the right-hand side of the home page of the Learning Management System. If you receive the following error, it may be due to using the Internet Explorer version 10 browser. Simply click on this compatibility icon next to your browser bar to remedy the issue. Alright, this is going to bring up a new page. What you're going to want to do is click on Create a New Account. At this point, you're going to be asked for several pieces of information, one of which is your student ID. To locate your student ID number, simply click on your name up on the upper right-hand corner of the Learning Management System. Once in your profile, you're going to want to select Edit Profile. Your student ID number will be found here. At this point, you can highlight and copy your student ID number. After copying your student ID number, go ahead and go back to the Student Portal page. Here, you can either paste or type in your student ID number, and then also type in your first name, last name, mother's maiden name, and the city you were born in. And then click Next. You will then be taken to an email address verification page. If the email address is incorrect, or if there is no email address on record for you, you will need to contact your system administrator. At this point, you will have a username provided for you, and then you will be prompted to create a password. Make sure that you write down both your username and the password you have created. Once you have created and confirmed your password, click Submit. After clicking on Submit, an authentication email will be sent to the displayed email address. After logging into your email account, you will see a similar email. You will then need to click on the link inside that email. After clicking on the link, you will be taken to this page showing that your account has been created successfully. Click on OK, and then log in using the username that was issued to you and the password that you created. Then click Login. Okay, we are now inside the Student Portal. In the center you'll see your calendar and you'll see a news section. On the right hand side you'll see the Message Center. Here you'll see any holds that you might have on your account, any alerts that you need to be aware of, as well as any appointments that have been scheduled between you and one of your advisors. Below that, at a glance, you can click on these blue bars and they'll open and close. This will show how many credits you've achieved so far, as well as what your GPA is. Below that, you will have a list of your advisors, for example, financial aid and student advisors. Now going over to the left-hand side, if we click on Campus Info, here you will be able to view course schedule. With this tool, you'll be able to view what you will be taking in the future. Below that, you'll also be able to view a faculty directory. Clicking on Academics, you'll be able to view your attendance, as well as the progress so far in your program, and your class schedule. Below that, you have a GPA calculator, and as well as your grades. Here you will be able to view both current and past grades. Clicking on Degree Audit, you will actually be able to view and print unofficial transcripts. Below that, you'll have program details. This will show the program you're in, the degree you're pursuing, what your GPA is, enroll date, start date, so on and so forth. Below that, this will show how many credits you've completed and how many you need to complete to finish your program. And below that, this is going to give you a course level summary of both core, associate, and general ed courses, how many credits you are achieving, and overall how you're doing in each of those categories. And below that is a detailed course list. This is going to show each and every course you have completed and if you've transferred any of these courses over. Alright, going back up to the left, I'm going to click on Financial Aid. Financial Aid Estimate. This is a form that will allow you to put in various information to see what kind of financial aid you qualify for. Below that is My Profile. This will take you to a calendar showing you start and end dates of terms, and also allow you to put in your own information. Here you'll be able to change your password for the student portal, as well as go to your message center. Again, that's going to show the blocks and the alerts and the appointments you have set up with your advisors, and then your information. Going to My Finances, you can click on Make Payment Online. This is going to allow you to make online payments. If you have taken an institutional loan out with Vista College, it will show you how much it is and when it's due. Below that, clicking on My Financial Aid, this will allow you to manage and view your financial aid information. Below that, this will allow you to upload documentation that we request from you, and then we also have some external links.